Today, we're taking a look at the FastStat Model 5000. This innovative product simplifies furnace upgrades when installing a new air conditioner. The FastStat Model 5000 provides 3 additional control wires plus a common wire. This makes it easier than ever to add an air conditioner or 2-stage heating to an existing furnace or set up a dry contact heating system with a 24-volt relay. The FastStat Model 5000 is compatible with most heating and cooling systems that utilize 24-volt AC control wires, so there's a good chance it'll be a match for some of your jobs. When you open the box, you'll find the 2 main components, the receiver unit and the sender unit. The receiver has purple, blue, white, black, green, yellow, orange, and 2 red control wires. These wires connect to the indoor unit and the heater and dry contact heater configurations. The receiver goes right inside the equipment cabinet, and the diagrams inside the box will show you how to connect these wires based on what you're trying to add to the HVAC system. You'll also find the sender unit. This has purple, blue, white, black, green, yellow, and 2 red control wires. These wires connect to the thermostat terminals and the thermostat cable. The sender is installed inside the wall directly behind the thermostat in this application. Now we're going to look at how to use the FastStat Model 5000 in a situation where we're adding an air conditioner and upgrading a single-stage furnace to a 2-stage furnace. The receiver connects to the furnace's R, C, W1, W2, G, and Y terminals. One of the red wires and the purple wire connect to the thermostat cable. The orange wire is used to set the receiver voltage. If it's not needed, simply tape it back. The wiring from the air conditioner connects to the furnace's Y terminal. The sender connects to the thermostat's R, C, W1, W2, G, and Y terminals. The remaining red wire and the purple wire also connect to the thermostat cable. If you want to find out more about FastStat products, including the Model 5000, you can visit FastStat's website and see their entire product line at fast-stat.com. You can also purchase FastStat products online at hvacrschool.com/fast-stat.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community, for techs, by techs.